Are you thinking about buying an air source heat pump? Here are 4 facts I wish I had known. One of the biggest advantages, if not the biggest advantage, of air source heat pumps is their efficiency. A well-installed air source heat pump system is capable of providing 1.5 to more than 5 times the electrical energy it consumes in the form of heat for your home. This is because it transfers heat rather than burning fuel. Property owners who switch to an air source heat pump in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions save around $460 when compared to electrical resistance and $950 when compared to oil furnaces on average. Do air source heat pumps work in cold climates? That depends on the system, but they've become pretty good at it. At minus 22 degrees centigrade, the Sanden Sunco 2 heat pump water heater, for instance, still performs at 200% efficiency. And what about noise?
And now it just went on. It's on right now.